Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto RYK. Today, we're getting a first look at a true American icon, the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. Buckle up, gearheads, because this isn't your average vet. The Zora is named after Zora Arkus-Duntov, the father of the Corvette. This isn't just a car, it's a homage to the men who laid the groundwork for everything we love about Corvettes. Now, let's talk about what makes this Zora sing. Under the hood, or well, technically the rear, we've got rumors of a monstrous twin-turbocharged V8 engine, possibly borrowed from the Corvette ZR1, pumping out a mind-blowing 850 horsepower. But wait, there's more. The Zora adds a twist with a cutting-edge electric motor system, pushing total output into hypercar territory. We're talking whispers of 1,000 horsepower. That kind of power translates to insane acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour in a jaw-dropping 1.9 seconds is what they're saying. But the Zora isn't just a straight-line beast. Chevy hasn't forgotten about handling. Advanced features like torque vectoring and adaptive dampers will keep you glued to the corners, while the all-wheel drive system, a first for Corvette, promises incredible grip and stability. Just look at it. The Zora's design is a head-turner. It's sleek and aggressive, with sharp lines that slice through the air for optimal aerodynamics. Think of it as a modern interpretation of classic Corvette cues, with a healthy dose of futuristic flair. Slip inside the Zora, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit that's both luxurious and functional. We're expecting premium materials like leather seats that hug you in during those high-performance maneuvers, and all the latest tech goodies you crave seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The Zora isn't just about raw power or breakneck speeds. It's a car that strikes a perfect balance between thrilling performance and luxurious comfort. Whether you're carving up a canyon road or cruising down the highway, the Zora promises an unforgettable driving experience. The Zora isn't just a new car, it's a symbol of American innovation and a testament to the enduring legacy of the Corvette. It's a car that pushes boundaries and redefines what a Corvette can be. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is still under wraps, but everything we've heard so far paints a picture of a truly groundbreaking car. It's a worthy successor to the Corvette legacy, and one that promises to dominate the supercar scene. If you're looking for a car that's equal parts thrilling and sophisticated, the Zora might just be your dream machine. What are your thoughts on the Zora? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching.